Hi and welcome to OnceHub videos and Deepak from the OnceHub team. In this video, I will show you how customers can cancel a single scheduled booking in OnceHub Classic. Keep in mind, whether a customer can cancel depends entirely on the cancellation policy you have set on your booking page or event type. And this only applies to the scheduled bookings. So let's jump in. After booking, the customer receives a scheduling confirmation email. Inside that email or directly from the calendar event, they will find a cancel reschedule link. They simply click on that link to get started. When they click, this opens the cancel reschedule page. So when they open it, they will land on the reschedule page where they can reschedule the meeting in case if they are looking for any other time slot. Next, we have the cancel tab and keep tab. This keep tab provides the information like review the booking details, double check the date, time, and meeting information. This also gives them one last chance to confirm they really want to cancel or not. Next, if they are looking to cancel, they select the cancel tab and depending on your cancellation policy, they may also be asked to provide a reason for cancellation. Once they confirm and hit cancel the booking, this will officially cancel the meeting. Bonus tip, if you are using payment integration, you can enable automatic refunds when customer cancel a booking or even sessions with a package. This is a great way to build trust and improve customer satisfaction. So after cancellation, the customer receives a cancellation confirmation email. The booking page owner is also notified. Any additional stakeholders also get information about the cancellation. And that's it. Everything stays in sync automatically. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out more tutorials on our channel.